If you're looking to build a successful Amazon business, understanding how to use JungleScout is a game changer. In this video, I'm going to break down how to leverage JungleScout's powerful features to find profitable products, analyze competition, and optimize your Amazon strategy, all in one quick guide. Stick around because I'll also reveal an exclusive way you can try this software completely free, with some amazing bonuses you don't want to miss. JungleScout is the go-to tool for Amazon sellers, and it's packed with features designed to help you make data-driven decisions. Whether you're just starting out or scaling your Amazon business, JungleScout can help you find winning products and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive into how you can use it effectively. The first step is product research. With JungleScout's product database, you can filter through millions of products on Amazon based on key criteria like sales volume, competition, price, and reviews. This tool allows you to quickly narrow down your options and find profitable niches that are worth entering. With the right filters, you can spot high-demand products that have low competition, giving you an edge over other sellers. Once you've identified potential products, JungleScout's product tracker helps you monitor them over time. You can track the sales performance, price changes, and reviews of your target products, giving you an up-to-date view of the market trends. This is invaluable for adjusting your strategy and staying ahead of the curve. Next, let's talk about competitor analysis. JungleScout's Sales Analytics feature lets you spy on your competition's sales data. By understanding what products are performing well for your competitors, you can identify gaps in the market and fine-tune your own listings to stand out. You can also estimate how much a competitor is making, which gives you insight into whether a market is too saturated or still ripe for opportunity. You can also use the supplier database in JungleScout to find reliable suppliers for your products. It shows you verified manufacturers from around the world, and you can filter based on location, product category, and more. This is especially useful when you're looking to scale your business or need to switch suppliers for better pricing or quality. But product research and supplier discovery are just the beginning. The real power of JungleScout lies in how it helps you optimize your Amazon listings. The Keyword Scout tool helps you find high-traffic keywords for your product listings. These keywords can significantly boost your visibility and sales when you incorporate them into your product title, description, and back-end search terms. Using the right keywords is crucial for ranking well on Amazon. Once your products are live, JungleScout's launch feature can help you run giveaways and promotions to boost your initial sales and reviews. This is especially useful for new sellers looking to build momentum quickly. Starting with a solid launch strategy can set you up for success in the long term. Now, I know you might be thinking that all of this sounds too complex, but JungleScout is built to be user-friendly. Even if you're new to Amazon selling, you can start using these features right away, and they'll guide you through every step. Plus, if you're looking to test out the software, I've got great news for you. You can access JungleScout completely free through the exclusive link below and get access to some awesome bonuses to help you get started. I've shown you just a few of the key features that make JungleScout indispensable for building a profitable Amazon business. There's so much more to discover, and if you want to take your Amazon selling game to the next level, now's the time to try it out for yourself. Remember, the link below gives you an exclusive extended free trial of JungleScout, so don't miss out. If you want to see exactly how this tool can transform your Amazon business, click the link and start your free trial today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable tips on building your business online. Let's get started with JungleScout and take your Amazon business to new heights.